CHZ faces opposition at 20 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. CHZ truly acquired roughly 1.52% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Chilliz by and large shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an in every way that really matters, significant way. 14 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is for the most part transient cost expectation for Chilliz, by and large is CHZ, a sort of wise venture, which truly is very huge. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations in a very significant manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,053,907,408,331 in an especially huge manner. The very complete exchanging volume really remains at $27,882,883,474. So CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% incredibly, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%. Or so they fundamentally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span. Pretty further appearance how CHZ basically faces obstruction at 20 cents incredibly. XRP the local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions basically show that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how the truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $27,882,883,474. So CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, an especially broad for the most part bad plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that CHZ really faces opposition at 20 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that as of now, a kind of broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that CHZ basically faces opposition at 20 cents, which is genuinely critical. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become most certainly more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how CHZ in a real sense faces opposition at 20 cents, which all things considered is very huge. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers basically become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, extremely further appearance. How these occasions essentially show that the market most certainly is going in a sort of descending heading for commonly present moment, exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $27,882,883,474. So CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in a sort of significant way. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, sort of is at $0.057, up 1.52% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a cost difference in 3.34% over the course of the week, which especially shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense, significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 23,246,852.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $422,344,616 United States dollars. There explicitly are practically 7,401,879,905 in a real sense are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which generally is very critical. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 14 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath. So CHZ certainly acquired roughly 1.52% inside the most recent 24 hours in every way that really matters, significant way. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving exceptionally normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Chilliz, exhibiting how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally relative strength record, RSI for CHZ coin, basically is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days in every way that really matters, normal line, which explicitly implies CHZ generally is an oversold zone and a pattern especially inversion by and large is conceivable, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14. Following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period, in every way that really matters, further appearance how CHZ sort of countenances obstruction at 20 cents, which basically is very huge. The Chilliz truly break all its most certainly upholds levels and things in a real sense, are not searching all things considered, great for the crypto market, in every practical sense further appearance, how which in a real sense, brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, sort of bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ cost underneath the essential help level of 17 cents, exhibiting how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. The CHZ United States dollar moving pretty normal union and disparity, MACD, marker,